We'll guide you through how to create a QR code in Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Canva, and so you want to go and create a QR code. A QR code is really convenient to add into your design and project because you can then go and have it linking to a website. In this case, I want to have it linking to my YouTube channel, and people can then go and scan it and get taken straight there. They don't need to go and search something or enter in a web address. It just removes that friction. Let's go and grab the link we want to create the QR code with. As I said, I want to do it with my channel. So I've searched for YouTube. We'll come to youtube.com. We can press search at the top and we're going to go and type in GuideRealm. Then what you can do is you can come to the page and we can grab the address in the address bar. Highlight it, right click it and press copy. Come back to Canva. You then need to come over to the left and find the option for apps. At the top here, you want to go and type in QR code and you can click on this option here. Then click in enter URL, right click and press paste and press generate code. And there it is. You can then drag it to where you want it and resize it.